Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's some bad news on the horizon. A company called Jefferies Equity Research has focused on the prices of RAM for PCs and for devices. And what they're saying is that their predictions for the third quarter of 2026, RAM prices are expected to rise 40 to 50%. For the fourth quarter of this year, 30 to 40%. And then by 2027, 40 to 45% year over year increase. And so in 2028, prices are expected to recover modestly, but still rising. That means, like as you see here, that if you would see a memory module that costs $100 today, by late 2027, it'll be $200. So basically, the bad news is that computers are going to be expensive, phones, every device that uses RAM, and this is just going to get worse and worse as we go by. What they actually say is if you really need a computer, you better buy it now than wait, because that same computer in a year will be way more expensive. So just do it now. Don't wait to buy one, because that's going to be a problem. So this is a little bit why I actually have purchased a new phone. My old Samsung Galaxy S22 was, almost 4 years old, and I wanted to have something new. And I purchased the S26 Ultra that came out this year at the beginning when actually they started to make them, because I knew that at some point they would raise the price. And already they're talking about raising the price of their smartphones, and Apple also said the same. So I just thought I'm not going to wait and buy it immediately, because it might not be a good idea to buy it in 6 months or a year. So this is crazy when you think about it. Really, really crazy. And we might never see prices go back down to a decent price like we used to have, which is really sad, honestly. So that's the bad news of the day. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.